Hello students, here we need to solve this question. In this question is given that a force we are applying on this complete system, or you can say on bigger block M F, and what will be the value of this F, so this small mass M should not slide downward, right? So for this purpose we have to check the FBD, right? So on a small m, force will work in this direction will be how much? Mg sine theta, right? And it's a very ideal formula if we are applying a force, or if are keeping an object mass m on any wedge, force in this direction will be mg sine theta if this angle is theta, right? So assume this angle is theta. Now if we'll apply F force in this direction, a pseudo force will work on this in this direction, right? And this angle will be how much? Theta, because this side and this side is parallel to each other, right? So this angle also will be theta. And how much this pseudo force will be? Equal to F. If we'll take the component of F in this direction will be how much? F cos theta, right? So it will be F cos theta. And because this small block is not sliding downward, in this case what, this F cos theta should be equal to mg sine theta, right? So if small m is not sliding, we can write F cos theta is equal to mg sine theta. From here we will get F is equal to mg sine theta divided by cos theta. This is equal to mg tan theta, right? F is equal to mg tan theta, right? So if we'll apply force mg tan theta, this small block M will not slide over the wedge. Now in next problem we will solve in case in which we will consider the friction on the wedge surface also, right? Thank you.